Hello everybody, Wheeling Pathfinder here once again. Today's video is all going to be about what I call the Airsoft Go Bag. It's basically a bag that is required for everything you might need to go to Airsoft, everything you might need for your kit. It's going to be able to fit in one of these bags. Why is this important? Well, simple. You don't want to be that guy who gets to the field and goes to get ready to your friends, and then you go, "Oh, I forgot my iPro, guys." No, you're not going to forget your iPro because it's going to be in the bag. Also, if you're like me or you maybe have some other form of medical stuff that you need to bring with you when you're out in the field, whether it's for in case you get injured, whether it's for just maintenance on your body, whether it's for washroom, whatever it might be, that can also fit in these bags. Point being, the Airsoft Go Bag is supposed to be for anything and everything you can conceivably need to enjoy a nice day at the airsoft field, so you're not thinking about the logistics of it for the next 6 weeks in between games, because that's probably how long it's going to take you to get your gear together otherwise. This just helps cut down. So literally, I grab my gun bag, I grab my go bag, and I go out the door. That's how quick and easy it makes it. Alright, turning the camera around, get a trick of the bag. Alright, so here we are. We're at the bag, and we're going to do some things. So, first off, I actually got my chest rig in the bag. I've got my goggles. They go in the bag. I've got gloves. They go in the bag. I got face mesh. They go in the bag. When it gets this big, I'll bring it a little bit closer to me. And then I'll also put in things that I might need for ammo-wise. Things like green gas. In the bag. Remember to take it out of your bag so it doesn't get too hot and go boom. Or too cold and freeze, or vice versa. And then also that weird puffing noise you're hearing, that's a bag of BBs. Because everyone knows you need ammo. I'm not going to put that in the bag right now because it's going to make so much noise and make me hate editing this video. Some other things to note and some other features. I can literally carry a giant kit of why am I forgetting their name now? Allen keys. Gosh, my brain. In the bag as well. So if my chair ever breaks down when I'm at the field, chair repair kit. I can also, through the molly loops here, loop in other little pouches. It's if for some reason I didn't have enough pouches. Like, take for example, I have this extra pouch. This extra pouch fills my batteries in it. Batteries are important. Forgetting them is a bad day. So I either molly them to myself before I leave the door, i.e. I attach them to my leg brace and I go out, or I'll molly them somewhere along here so they come with me so I know I have them there. So if I run out of juice in the ones that I put in my gun bag, I know I have my spares with me. I'm not going to have in a situation where, oops, I'm out of batteries for the day. Because I've had that happen when I first started playing and it sucked. These are the sort of things that you want to keep in mind. These sort of little things that you can keep in. Like, I literally carry my helmet in my bag. If you guys want, I can go ahead and put in the comment section if you guys want this. And I'll create a little list where you guys can buy the items that I'm talking about and the bag that I'm talking about. But I just wanted to show you guys this. I don't know why I haven't created a video on these go bags from before, because they've been a major part in the channel and a major thing that I'm always having with me in my kit. I think even in some of my videos, you can see this exact bag on the back of my chair as I'm wheeling around. So, yeah, I just hook it on via the arm straps, goes over my backrest of my wheelchair, hooks on, stays there, and I just carry everything with me throughout the day. It makes life so much easier, and you can customize these things. Hang on a second, I'm going to turn the camera around. All right, we're back. Closing thoughts, simple. Scale the bag size according to what you actually, like how much kit you bring, and the size of your kit. If your kit's smaller than my kit, smaller bag works just fine. But this video is just to get you the idea, get the idea across of, hey, go bag makes things carrying that you might need in the field much easier, so you have less time running around going, I didn't bring this, I have screwed up. Much like how I'm screwing it with camera work. But that's what I get for solo recording things that I'm in a rush to record because I just thought of the idea and I don't want to wait on things. Impatient me, as always. But with that being said, I'll see you guys on the path. Catch you later. Bye bye.